The Sunshine Parade, the mysterious invitation in the small town of Meadowbrook, where the grass sparkled like emeralds and flowers danced with every breeze. There was a secret known only to a few. Every year, on the first day of spring, the town hosted a magical event called the Sunshine Parade. But this year was special. A golden envelope appeared on the doorstep of each child's home, each one adorned with sparkling confetti. The gathering at the willow tree at precisely noon. The old willow tree, with its branches like a giant's arms, stood in the center of Meadowbrook. Beneath its sweeping limbs, children gathered in a sea of vibrant colors. Among them were Sable Quill, a curious girl with hair like raven feathers and eyes full of stars; Finian Spark, a boy whose laughter sounded like tinkling bells and whose hair was as wild as a spring storm; Leora Breeze Bloom, a girl with a gentle smile and a love for all things whimsical; Orson Wisp, a quiet boy with a knack for discovering hidden wonders and a mind full of fascinating thoughts. They all stood waiting, their hearts racing with anticipation. 3. The parade begins as the clock struck 12. A trumpet sounded, its note clear and bright. The children's eyes widened as a procession of whimsical creatures appeared. There were colorful dragons with scales that shimmered like rainbows, elegant unicorns whose manes flowed like liquid silver, and dancing fairies with wings that sparkled like morning dew. Leading the parade was the grandest of all, Eldora, a majestic unicorn with a golden horn that shone like the sun. Her mane was a cascade of cascading rainbows, and her eyes held the wisdom of ages. 4. The enchanted floats behind Eldora were the enchanted floats, each one more fantastical than the last. There was a float shaped like a giant lily pad with singing frogs, another that looked like a pirate ship with animated sea creatures, and one that was a rolling castle where tiny, cheerful knights waved their flags. Sable, Finian, Leora, and Orson marveled at the creativity and magic that surrounded them. It felt as though the whole world had transformed into a fantastical dreamland. The magical scavenger hunt. Suddenly, Eldora's voice rang out. Dear children, today's parade is not just for watching. It is also for discovering. With that, she handed each child a scroll tied with a shimmering ribbon. The scrolls revealed a scavenger hunt with riddles and clues. Each clue led to a magical object hidden around the town, like the golden key of whimsy, the silver star of imagination, and the enchanted feather of wonder. Sable, Finian, Leora, and Orson excitedly set off on their adventure. The hidden secret Sable's clue led her to the Whispering Woods, where the trees spoke in hushed tones. She found the golden key of whimsy hanging from a branch, surrounded by a soft, glowing light. Finian's clue took him to the bubbling brook of echoes. As he followed the clues, he discovered the silver star of imagination nestled in a bed of sparkling pebbles. Leora's clue guided her to the gossamer meadow, where butterflies fluttered around the enchanted feather of wonder, which was nestled among the blossoms. Orson, the quiet observer, followed his clue to the hidden nook of secrets, a small cave behind a waterfall. There, he found the crystal prism of truth, which sparkled with 1,000 colors. The challenge with their magical objects collected, the children returned to the parade. Eldora smiled and said, "You have done well. But now, to complete the challenge, you must use your treasures to create something new." Sable used her golden key to unlock a box of shimmering stardust, which she sprinkled over the float of the singing frogs, making them sing even more beautifully. Finian used the silver star to paint a rainbow path on the parade route, leading to a hidden garden where flowers bloomed in all colors. Leora used the enchanted feather to create delicate, sparkling trails that guided the float of the rolling castle, making it float through the sky like a dream. Austin used the crystal prism to create a kaleidoscope of colors that danced around the parade, casting a magical glow over everything. The grand finale. As the sun began to set, the parade reached its grand finale. The sky was painted in hues of orange and pink, and the parade was a dazzling display of colors and magic. The townsfolk gathered to watch, their faces lit with wonder and joy. Eldora spoke once more. "Thank you, brave children, for your creativity and bravery. You have brought even more magic to our Sunshine Parade." The surprises unfolded as the parade came to an end. The children discovered that their magical objects were now part of the parade's finale. The singing frogs now sang in harmony with the rainbow path, the floating castle glided among the stars, and the kaleidoscope of colors created a breathtaking display in the sky. The children were filled with a sense of accomplishment and joy. They had not only enjoyed the parade but had also played a crucial role in making it unforgettable. The return to normalcy as the night drew in and the magical creatures began to fade away, the children returned to their homes. They felt a sense of wonder and happiness that they would carry with them forever. The magical day had come to an end, but the memories would last a lifetime. The new tradition. In the weeks that followed, Meadowbrook buzzed with stories of the Sunshine Parade. The children spoke of their adventure with sparkling eyes, and the town was filled with a renewed sense of wonder. The town decided that the Sunshine Parade should be an annual event, and each year, it would bring new adventures and magical discoveries for the children of Meadowbrook. The legacy of magic. As the years passed, the story of the Sunshine Parade became a cherished legend in Meadowbrook. New generations of children would eagerly await their golden invitations, ready to embark on their own magical adventures. Sable, Finian, Leora, and Austin grew up with the fondest memories of their parade, knowing that they had been part of something truly magical. And as they looked back, they knew that the magic of the Sunshine Parade would forever shine brightly in their hearts. And so, the magic of the Sunshine Parade continued, spreading joy and wonder to every child who received a golden envelope, year after year. In Meadowbrook, the Sunshine Parade was not just an event, it was a celebration of imagination, creativity, and the simple joy of discovering magic in the world around us.